Hey, what's up guys? It's Junior here from Playing Guitar. Today we'll be checking out how to play Call Me Every Day by Chris Brown featuring Wizkid. This song is a super easy song. We're only going to be using just 3 chords. I would say 2 or more or less. Let's just go straight to the song. Alright, so guys, for this song we're only going to be using just 3 chords. One of the chords is a passing chord. You don't have to use it, but if you want to, it will also make your playing sounds much better. So the first chord will be the E minor 7. And then we have the A minor 7, and then the passing chord is a B minor 7. So the song is in key of G, so we're using the 6, 2, 3, back to the 6. Okay, so the passing chord here is this 3 chord, which is the B minor. So let me show you how to play these chords, and then we'll move on to the other part. So E minor 7, I like to play the bar chord because when I'm doing my percussion, it sounds much better. So I'm barring here on the 7th fret from the A string down, and then my middle finger will be on the B string on the 8th fret. My ring finger will be on the D 9th fret. Okay, because it's an E minor 7 chord, you can strum everything because this note here is an E note. Next chord is the A minor 7. A minor 7, you can either do it with one finger like this, okay, but again you can do it this way. So for this way, I'm on the 5th fret, barring from the top all the way down, and I have my ring finger on the A string on the 7th fret. Okay, this will give you a 7th, A minor 7. For the B minor 7, you're just gonna slide twice. So 1, 2, give you a B minor 7 chord. Alright, so in terms of the timing, so we have something like this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see here when I come to the B minor 7 chord, it's like towards the last 2 beats of that cycle. Then you go to the A minor 7. One more time. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4. You're on the B minor 7. Then you go back to the A minor 7. So let's move on to the fun part, which is the percussion part of the song. So what I'm doing here, I'm just hitting 2 parts of my guitar. So next to the bridge, so I'm using this part of my thumb here just to hit my, just on the bridge or just in front of the bridge really. If you do it all the way, you can see it produce different sounds. So we have, so you need to find that sweet spot where you can hear the notes at the same time. You can hear that like dum sort of beat. So the next thing I'm also hitting is this part here. I'm using my ring finger to hit it because I just feel comfortable using that. You can use your middle finger, but for some reason I feel like my ring finger gives me more of the sound that I need. So we have It's gonna take a lot of practice if you haven't done percussion before, but it is very basic. So just keep it simple and slowly. Then to the next chord. You can feel it. You just have to actually feel the music to get it right. I don't think there's any magic formula, and if you keep just practicing it slowly, you will eventually find the best way to even do it. So what I would say is that's why I like to use my bar chord. I feel like if I use my bar chord, it gives me more of the full notes. If I use the open chord, for example, I don't really like it. like my bar chord, so I would say use the bar chord. If you don't want to, you can also use the open chord if you want, if your fingers are getting tired. Yeah, so that's how you play Call Me Every Day by Chris Brown. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and also I'll be waiting for your song request. Take care guys, and see you in the next song. Bye.